Make delicious oat yogurt at home with just 2 simple ingredients. Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. If you're always looking for healthier, nourishing foods to add to your daily routine, I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, creamy, and wholesome oat yogurt right at home. It's easy to prepare, gentle on your stomach, and a wonderful choice if you enjoy natural, homemade goodness. To begin, prepare about 150 grams of rolled oats, which is a little over 1.5 cups. Place them into a large mixing bowl. Oats are naturally rich in fiber, especially beta-glucan, which supports heart health and helps keep you feeling full longer. They're also gentle on digestion and provide steady energy throughout the day. Next, pour in about 4 cups of warm water, roughly 950 milliliters. The water should be comfortably warm, not hot. Warm water helps soften the oats more effectively and encourages them to absorb moisture evenly. Stir everything once to make sure all the oats are fully submerged. After that, cover the bowl with plastic wrap to keep it clean and protected. Let the oats soak for about 30 minutes. During this time, they will swell and soften, making them easier to blend and digest. Soaking also helps reduce natural compounds that can interfere with nutrient absorption, allowing your body to benefit more fully from the oats. After 30 minutes of soaking, you will see that the oats have expanded and become significantly softer. At this point, use a hand blender to blend the mixture until it becomes smooth and creamy. Blending the oats helps the body more easily absorb the nutrients in the oats. After blending, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. For an even smoother result, you can line the sieve with a thin cloth or a layer of paper towel. This step removes any remaining oat pulp and helps your yogurt have a softer, smoother texture. Next, place a pot on the stove over low heat and pour in the oat mixture. Low heat is very important here. Cooking slowly helps activate the natural starches in the oats, allowing the mixture to gradually thicken. Next, add 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and stir well. Lemon juice has natural acidity, which helps create a lightly tangy yogurt flavor. It is also rich in vitamin C and supports digestion. Continue stirring over low heat until the mixture thickens into a smooth, creamy consistency. Once the mixture has thickened, and you notice it feels slightly heavier as you stir, go ahead and turn off the heat. That thicker texture is a sign that the natural starches in the oats have fully activated. Carefully remove the pot from the stove. For an extra smooth result, strain the mixture one more time through a fine mesh sieve. This second straining step helps ensure the texture is silky and free from any small lumps. When you've collected a smooth, uniform mixture, add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Stir gently but thoroughly until everything is fully combined. The yogurt acts as a starter culture, introducing beneficial probiotics into the mixture. These live cultures support gut health, improve digestion, and help maintain a balanced microbiome. After mixing all the ingredients well, pour the yogurt mixture into a clean glass jar. Glass is an excellent choice because it does not absorb odors and helps preserve the pure flavor. Let the mixture cool completely at room temperature before sealing it tightly with a lid. Once cooled, place the jar in the refrigerator to help the yogurt thicken and become more stable. For best results, let it chill for about 3 to 5 hours, or even overnight if you have the time. During this resting period, the texture will become thicker and smoother, and the flavor will develop a light tang. When you take it out, you will have a fragrant jar of homemade oat yogurt with a subtle nutty aroma. Spoon the yogurt into a cup, and you can enjoy it as is or add a few fresh strawberry pieces and sprinkle some sliced almonds on top. Strawberries add natural sweetness and vitamin C, while almonds provide healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. The result is a smooth, creamy, slightly tangy, and incredibly nourishing dish perfect for breakfast or a snack. And that's how you can make oat yogurt at home with just a few simple steps and have a jar of smooth, nourishing, healthy yogurt made from wholesome ingredients. Will you give it a try? Let me know your results in the comments. If you like this recipe, please click like on this video, share it with people who love healthy homemade food, and subscribe to the Tracy Tips channel to receive more simple and practical cooking ideas. See you in the next video.